back to my channel. Quick question. Do you want to improve your English? You want to level up your English, correct? So you wouldn't do anything to jeopardize your chance of success, right? The answer is no. Why would you want to jeopardize your progress? You're doing great. You are watching day 22. Today's word is jeopardize. Another very commonly used formal word that you want to add to your academic vocabulary pool. Part of speech is a verb. To jeopardize something, you're putting it under risk. Risk of harm, risk of loss, or even risk of failure. For example, limited English exposure will jeopardize your language acquisition. In other words, without exposing to more English, for example, watching my videos, it could be harmful to your English proficiency. Here are some more examples. Number 1, being firm will not jeopardize your relationship as long as you're reasonable.
I can't jeopardize that.
Number 2, to burn your bridges will jeopardize your career. If you burn your bridges, it means you're doing something that will make it impossible for you to return to an earlier stage, even if you want to. So, in terms of career, you want to leave any company in good terms.
She didn't want to jeopardize her career.
Number 3, overthinking can jeopardize your mental health.
It would greatly jeopardize our efforts.
Instead of using it could harm the situation or something could damage the situation, you are now equipped with an advanced, a much more formal verb to express the meaning of causing something to fail. Jeopardize. Practice using this word in a sentence. Comment down below with an emoji if you're finished watching today's video. And as usual, practice makes perfect. Have a great day, and I'll see you again tomorrow on day 23. Bye!